Welcome. The journey into positivity continues. Today's guided meditation will focus on self-love. You will perform this guided meditation in an area of peace and calmness. Choose your meditation position of comfort. You may choose to walk, lie down, sit in a chair, or a lotus position. If you choose to sit, be sure to sit comfortably with good posture. Eyes opened or closed, head and chin forward, not tilted, to ensure easy passage for breathing. Chest forward and shoulders back, allowing your heart chakra to be open and receptive to healing, positive energy, and love. Back straight, pelvis centered, tailbone slightly perched for proper grounding. Palms of your hands resting on top of your thighs. If sitting in a chair, legs uncrossed, feet planted, toes forward. We will begin with our breathing. Inhale. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Again, deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. 3 seconds per inhale, 3 seconds per exhale. Continue to breathe as instructed. With each breath, free your mind and body of stress and tension, giving my voice your full attention. With every inhale, you are absorbing positive energy. With every exhale, you are dispelling negative energy. Feel your torso expand as healing and relief enter your body. As it collapses, the stresses and worries of being perfect leave your body. This cycle repeats itself as you allow yourself to just be and just breathe. The heaviness of your days fighting to meet someone's standards and making others happy over yourself is lifting from your vessel. No one is perfect, no matter how perfect they appear to be. You are worthy of giving yourself the love, happiness, and attention you deserve. It doesn't matter what others think or believe. Receive this. Lift yourself beyond the negative thoughts that you have of you and the opinions of others at this moment. Allow your energy being to radiate with security, love, beauty, wholeness, peace, comfort, joy, and confidence. You are a unique being. Continue to be and breathe. Counting down from 5 to 1, slowly bring yourself out of meditation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We appreciate your presence and allowing yourself the opportunity to explore. We are extremely grateful for you and speak love, happiness, peace, and prosperity into your being. Come back for more healing, enlightenment, and positive transformation. Until next time, be positive.